Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today we are doing a box unboxing. I've opened this box a lot of times on my channel. I love doing these. This is the GLOSSYBOX, one of my favorites. They always have some really cool stuff, makeup, skincare, and this one actually feels pretty heavy. So let's get on into it. If you guys want to find out what is in my September glossy box, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. My name is Kim. We do tons of fun beauty content around here. Hauls, shop with me, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Dollar Tree. So if you are into all that, then I think you will like my channel. So let's get started. You guys, I figured out how to do this like really cool wave to my hair. I think I'm gonna make a whole tutorial on it, so stay tuned for that. So if you've never heard of GLOSSYBOX, they are a beauty subscription service. They sent me over this box for free so I could share it with you guys and we can open it together. They include 5 products every month and the value could be from $60 up to $175. Let us open this and see what's inside. And if you want to get your box for $16, I do have a code for you guys down below, so I will put that down there and just use my name at checkout. It's Kim in all capitals, and that'll get you your first box for $16. I think GLOSSYBOX excels in the presentation of their boxes. They give this beautiful, luxurious box, and it looks like you're opening up a present from like a luxury department store like Louis Vuitton or something. Like the box just feels like a high quality box. You could actually reuse these for gifts to other people, which is what I like to do. How beautiful is this? So they have this little magazine inside. I mean, it's not even a magazine, they just make it look like one, and that's their pamphlet, which has all the products in it and the little bow. Like, they really think about the details. And I don't look inside the pamphlet because I like it to be a surprise. If you watch my unboxings, you probably know that. Tissue paper is so cute. I'm already excited. I see some things in here I like. I cheated and I peeked. So first product, we have this. Ooh, this looks very fancy. Terre de Mars. This looks beautiful. This is the Radition Body Cleanser. It says it has coffee extract, verbena, aloe vera, and moisturizer. So I think I'm assuming this is like a shower product. It says it's an organic, certified, aromatic, and soft cleanser for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts. Infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Leaves a clean, refreshed, and toned skin without drying it. It's a very plant green-like kind of scent. Not my personal favorite scent, but I do think it is a really pretty packaging. I don't know much about this brand except it looks possibly French, but we'll see when we open the pamphlet. Next up, we have something here. This is the This Works is the name of the brand. This is the Stress Check. The brand is called This Works, and it's a stress check, clean hands, no rinse formula. Hand sanitizer, how could I forget that? And it says it has 70% alcohol and essential oils. I love hand sanitizers like this because they are so moisturizing as opposed to just ones that are like straight up alcohol. I prefer something like this. I actually had something similar to this. I had like 3 bottles and I went through them all. So this I'm definitely going to keep in my purse. It says it's 98% natural and it's a super blend of hyaluronic acid, calming lavender, neroli, and patchouli, and alcohol. So this is always something I can use. Next up, I see something that I love. It is from Four Sigmatic. If you guys have never tried this brand before, you will love it. So this is perfect for someone like me. I don't really love coffee. I can't drink caffeine because it gives me a headache. I feel like it dehydrates me, it makes me feel weird. So this is something you can use instead of coffee, and it has amazing benefits because it has the mushroom in it. So this one has reishi, and this is the cacao mix. So it's basically like a healthier hot chocolate. I have gotten these little packets before at Whole Foods. I love them. If you guys want to try them too, you can get them at Whole Foods. You'll have it hot or iced. I actually have like an iced healthy hot chocolate every morning, so I'm excited I have these now. I can mix them in, and this has cacao powder, coconut sugar, reishi extract, which is the mushroom, cinnamon, cardamom, and stevia, however you want to say it. So I'm so excited that this was in the box. This is like one of my favorite things. It's also dairy free. So if you want a healthier alternative, reishi mushroom is supposed to help you kind of like become more calm, so that's why they like to recommend using this at night. It's just really yummy also to have with a dessert. I like to have this with those little crispy cookie things from Aldi, like those thin crisps. With this, so good, and I feel good having it because I know that it's healthier than having like those sugar artificial color loaded hot chocolates. So check these out, you guys will love them. You do need to add a sweetener though to it, like on its own you need something, like it needs almond milk, and then it also needs, like, I like to add stevia. You can do monk fruit, that's what I prefer because it needs a little bit of sweetness. Okay, let's take another product out. What is this? Daily Concept Mitt. What is that? This is a steam bath exfoliator. I've never heard of this before. It says it rehydrates your skin, and it's a body cloth made for your body. Gentle exfoliator, rehydrates any dead cells and bring them back to life. Okay, that's cool. It says it's from Los Angeles. Let's just look. I actually could use something like this. Ooh, and there's like a little opening so you can put your hand inside and you can exfoliate. Ooh, it feels good. In the shower. Ooh, has like a scent to it, almost like a minty scent. Maybe. This would probably pair very nicely with the body cleanser that they put in the box. I will definitely be putting this into my shower. That is something that I didn't have that I wanted, was an exfoliating body cloth. Next up, oh, it's David's. I love David's toothpaste. They actually sent me a PR box maybe like 2-3 months ago, and I think I'm on my last one. I also had these in my empties. If you guys remember, I reviewed the David's toothpaste. This is for whitening, anti-plaque, and fresh breath. I don't find this on its own to be whitening, to be honest with you guys, because I do have a little bit of staining on my teeth. You might not be able to see it from far away, but when I look up close, I feel like I need to do a teeth whitening. And I've been using this for the past like 3 months, so I don't feel like it really helps me too much with whitening, but I do like it as a natural toothpaste, like an alternative. And I like the ingredients in here. It's fluoride free, sulfate free. This is the natural peppermint. This is actually the smaller size. It's not the full size, but this one's great for travel. Okay, last item in the box. Oh my gosh, I can't even say this name. Astaxanthin. I don't know. This is from DHC. I do know DHC products. I use their cleansing oil. I love their pen eyeliner. Love that. This looks like a gel cream. Super antioxidant that's found in salmon. It's 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C. Astaxanthin is derived from freshwater green algae and helps the skin battle UV pollution and helps for a firmer complexion. Here it's water, glycerin, palm oil, collagen, squalene, alcohol, beer extract. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Royal jelly protein, shushu, and lactic acid. Okay, I'm interested in this. I have to see if there's any reviews on this. It's very pretty. It's like a red packaging. Let's open this guy up. I don't think it has a fragrance, which I like. Let me just do a quick little feel of this. It's kind of like orange. Feels on the skin. Definitely like a thicker kind of cream. This is probably something that I would use at nighttime rather than during the day. Ooh, I'm seeing in the sun, because I have the window over here, the packaging has like this gold glitter in it. That's really cool. That was so fun, you guys. That's everything in my glossy box. So let's read the pamphlet and see how much everything is. HC Collagen Moisturizer retails for $49. Probably the most expensive thing in here. The mini size of the hand sanitizer was $6. I think we got the mini size. Yeah, we got the mini size. The body cleanser from Terre de Mars is $23. The David's Natural toothpaste is $4.95 because we have the mini. Full size is $9.95. Daily Concepts Mitt is $14, and the Four Sigmatics 2 packets are worth $4. Total retail value when I added everything up was $100.95. So I think that is a pretty good value for $16. That DHC product itself is $50, so that alone makes the box worth it. And then you also have some other fun products like the cleansing gel, the toothpaste, that Four Sigmatic, I love those, the little body scrubber. So I thought this was a really fun box. I do think they have hands down the prettiest presentation out of all the boxes. So I had so much fun opening this with you guys. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to check this out. Again, I will link GLOSSYBOX in the description box. Use my code KIM if you want to get your first box for $16. And thank you guys so much for watching. I think later on in the week I will have my BoxyCharm. That's supposed to be coming Thursday, so hopefully I can upload that video the day that I get it, because you guys always like to see that one too, so we can kind of compare the two. I wanted to compare this one to Boxy in one video, but my Boxy didn't come yet, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like this. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!